These are the cars that I've sold in the 3 weeks that I haven't uploaded. This Renault Clio, this Peugeot 107, both of the cars sold on the same day at the same exact time. I then bought this 2012 Vauxhall Corsa. I had to put a fresh 12 months MOT on the car, and the car sold in 48 hours of listing on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm now on my way to BCA Auction Bridgewater to collect another car that I've bought, a Vauxhall Corsa. Alright, so I've now arrived at BCA Bridgewater. I am now collecting the red Vauxhall Corsa that I've bought. Fingers crossed, like every time, guys, we're collecting the car. Oh man, there you go, you can see BCA Bridgewater. So this is the Corsa. First thing, just do a little fluid check. It smells like a Corsa on the inside. Alright, first thing, any gunk on here? No gunk. That's good. That's good in there. No gunk in there either. Any engine oil in there? Yes. Alright, the moment of truth, guys. Let's give the car a start up. And as you can hear, the engine sounds good, which is absolutely great. Engine sounds good. Let's just hope it drives good as well. So as you guys can also see, the car's got new brake disc and pads at the front, which is absolutely great. Obviously, I'm going to touch this in here, the little rust. This is a common issue on the Corsas. It's got petrol in it to get back home as well. 4 new tyres as well. We've also got petrol in there to get back as well, which is good. So guys, I'm now on the motorway. The car drives great. It goes into all gears. Everything works. I'm very happy with how the car drives. It's got a lot of service history with it. I think over like 16 service stamps. And yeah, I'm happy with the car. But where have I been for these past few weeks on YouTube? I haven't uploaded, and in these past few weeks I've sold 3 cars within the time that I haven't uploaded. So the Renault Clio, the black one with 34,000 miles, that one sold, and the Peugeot 107 that I resprayed the front bumper, that also sold, and they both sold at the same exact time. So literally, as the person was driving out with the Renault Clio, the people who came to buy the Peugeot 107, the red one, they walked straight in after they were driving out, and then they bought the car as well and they trailered it back. So where have I been? I've started a car flipping course for basically my audience on TikTok. A lot of them are younger, so they want to learn how to get into car flipping. And obviously in my course, I teach you how to source the cars, what to check out for when you're going to view the car to buy them, how to put the cars in and out of trade, how to tax and insure the cars to get them back home, and stuff like that really. And obviously how to do your listings, how to place your photographs, what to put in your description. And obviously in the advanced section now, if you're been trading cars, obviously I'll tell you where I got my trade insurance at a young age. So where I got my trade insurance, how to get the trade plates, so where I got my funding to start the business when I was at my unit, where I got the funding, I tell you where that. Also, I guide you how and what they ask you when you want to open an auction account. So I tell you what you basically need to open a car auction account. So if you want to get into car flipping, check the course out. The link's in the bio, and they're going to be doing 20% off for the first 24 hours. So I've just given the car a machine polish. I've machine polished the 2 headlights as it needed doing, and now I'm just putting on some tyre shine. Alright, so guys, this is a quick walk around of the car. I've just got home, I've prepped it for sale, I've machine polished it, I've checked the car over, and this is the finishing products. I was in a bit of a rush today, so I couldn't film me doing all of that, but comment down below how you guys think the car has turned out. Looks pretty good. Very good car, this one. I'm very happy with the purchase. So I polished the two front lights as they were very faded. I've given the whole car polish. I've polished that grille. And as you can see, the car has new brake disc and new brake pads. Also 4 new tyres. If you can see, new tyre there as well. And a new tyre there too. The car has got 106,000 miles on the clock. The interior was already clean, so that saves me the trouble of cleaning it. So, the service history. Let's see what it's got. So if you guys can see, the car, it has loads of service history, which is going to be absolutely great for when I want to list the car for sale. So it was last service 1504 2024 at 104,000 miles. It's now 106k. So I want you to give the car a service. It's got a long MOT as well. So it's just had the MOT done basically. And that's that really. It's got the V5C. The car has got, so I just checked the V5C and the car is a one-owner car from new, which is absolutely great. Alright, well let's have a quick look around the interior. Let me just pop the engine bay like you guys haven't seen at the front. So it comes with the locking wheel nut, which is another good thing. The radio works, the air conditioning works, which is also a plus. All the seats are in good nick. So the steering wheel doesn't have a lot of wear for 106,000 miles. It's a 2010 plate Corsa. The only thing in the seat is just this, but I'm just gonna leave that anyway. There's not a lot of wear on here either, or down there. Rear seats are in good nick as well. And let's check the boot, what's in there. So let me just put these things up a sec. It's got a boot lid tray, which is good. The boot's clean. It's got a spare tyre. There isn't any moisture down there either, which is good. I've already done an engine oil check and coolant check. This comes with the jack as well. There isn't anything in this side. Oh, they've got a bulb in there. That's fine, I'll just leave that there. Have a little look underneath the car. Well, it's had a new exhaust. That's good, as you can see the whole way. So that's good, you can see it had a new exhaust. So that's something else to say. Very happy with this purchase. So while cleaning the engine bay, I've noticed that the coolant expansion tank is leaking, because if you look right there, that bit's wet. Wait there, let me just... So if you look at the fan there, that bit's wet with coolant. If you look there, there's wet with coolant. And then if you look on the floor, there's also wet with coolant. So I've taken this off, unscrewed it, and look underneath, and as you can see, it is leaking from there. I've wiped it off a bit, but it's leaking and dripping, so as you guys can see. So I've ordered a new coolant expansion tank and I'm about to go collect it now. I'll just put this back on there. So let me go and collect the new coolant expansion tank. Right, so I've just arrived at your car parts, as you can see, and there's a long line as usual. So after waiting about 40 minutes, it's now raining. British weather. Got the coolant expansion tank now. I need to go home, get some coolant, because I have coolant already. So when I arrive back, I pop home to get this and my bottle of coolant. Let's get this bloody coolant expansion tank changed. I'm now swapping over the coolant expansion tanks, but as you can see, it's very fiddly. I've now got the new one on. All that's left to do is just fill it up with some coolant. And just tighten this up. I'm going to run the car with the expansion tank off with the lid off for a bit to get rid of any air that's going to be in the system. And that's that. No more leaking coolant tank. So I've got the heater on full blast, trying to see if there's any bubbles in there or not. I'm gonna let it run there for a few minutes and then I'm gonna put the lid back on. So that's now all done. I did overfill the coolant a little bit, so I might drain a little bit out or I might just leave it, but that's all done now. So everything to do with the car is now complete. I got a good one again, which I'm very happy about. And yeah, this is how it turned out. It did rain, but as you can see, the car's shining, still looking good. So I've just had a look through all the history as well. Look at all these receipts that's come with the car, loads of receipts of stuff that's been done to it. So this car has been taken care of very well. It's had a lot of work done to it. It's had the water pump done, it's had just loads of stuff. So yeah, bought a good one this time. I lost a couple of bids today. I've been trying to buy some more cars, but I've been losing all the bids. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to get into car flipping, my car flipping course is in the description. The link's in the description. As I said, I'll be doing 20% off for the first 24 hours. So if you want to learn how to flip cars, click that link in the description. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.